for those of you, whether you long arm or not, I think you're going to still really enjoy learning from Jenny during this segment. So tell us, when did these rulers come into play?
So, when we designed our curved designs, our curved quilts, we realized that we needed a curved ruler to stitch in the ditch, echo work.
Right.
Because all I did was custom work, I knew exactly what kind of ruler to design and how to design it. So our long arm rulers have, they have echo lines, they have 45 degree lines, you know, 1/4 inch thick, good acrylic.
So 1, 2, 3?
Well, yes, I have.
We have additional ones. Okay. I love this. 3 sets of rulers, all for the different shapes that we're looking at. And I would imagine, I mean, even if someone's not using a So Kind of Wonderful pattern, these are still very useful, right?
Exactly. So what I learned when I was long arm quilting is curves accentuate straight piecing. So when you are custom quilting a straight pieced quilt, by adding curves, you're giving it more personality. And so that's where you can use your curved rulers as well, is adding curved quilting to your straight pieced quilt.
Wow.
And it gives it more personality, more pizzazz.
I would not have even thought of it that way, and I love that. Okay. So what you've done here is you have kind of sectioned off a little square for us, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
So pretend that's like a quilt block.
Sure.
And within this block, you have maybe a 9 patch. I do have a base plate on, so when you're using the rulers, you need a base plate because you need something for your ruler to sit on. And then just a regular, you know, quilting foot.
Yeah.
So that will give you the space from the needle to the side of the ruler, which is a 1/4 inch.
We call this a ruler foot.
So when I'm setting my ruler, and this is my stitch line, you want to visually see that when your stitch ends, you want it to land on that line. So I'm looking at the edge of the ruler here, and it needs to be a 1/4 inch over, basically.
Okay. Are you ever nervous about your fingers?
No.
It's as simple as that. Just keep them out of the way.
So we're going to go back up. I'm not like trying to move my body around. I can use this side.
True. Yes.
And then we're going to stitch up.
And look how that matches up right against there.
All right.
Okay, so we've created
an oval or curve shape.
Okay.
So now within that curve shape, you can do whatever you want. You can do a filler, swirls. I'm going to go ahead and just do a feather right up.
Ooh.
And one of my favorite feathers to do is, I'm not going to, basically I already created a line with your marking pen, and I'm just going to go up and then back down to the other side.
This always fascinates me.
And again, this is not my machine. I will try to do the best I can.
You kind of fall in love with your own machine, don't you?
Oh, yeah. And then I'm going to make a little loop up top here.
Okay.
And when you come in, you just want to follow that vine down.
That is beautiful.
Okay. Basically, so you filled in your space, your curved design.
Nice.
And then at this stage, I'm going to go ahead and use the ruler again. We're going to use one of the echo lines on the ruler.
Okay. So for someone who might be brand new to this, what do you mean by echo line?
Here on the ruler, you have these black lines. So if I were to quilt on the edge of my ruler, that would give me a 1/4 inch over.
Oh, sure. Okay.
If I'm going to use the first black line, that will give me a 1/2 inch.
Oh,
so I'm going to put that first black line on my last curved stitch.
Okay.
And that will give me a 1/2 inch echo on the outside of the oval.
Yes.
And now,
wow, look how perfect that is.
We're going to do, actually we need to do it this way because we need that echo.
Okay.
So this is where I'm going to. So if you're new to, if you want to custom quilt more with rulers, you really have to learn how to hold the ruler. And now I need to move over here so I'm out of the way. I put pressure on this side of the ruler because you want it to go against your foot.
You're pushing up
so
against
if you only
it.
push down on it, you're not going to have as much control.
Yeah, I can see that. Now how would you fill it in?
So one thing is you can do pearls in here.
Ooh, do pearls.
Okay,
Do pearls.
that's always a winner.
I love pearls,
We'll see. Pearls are easier with a non-stitch regulated, but we're going to go for it.
Is it like a figure 8?
Yes.
Is that what you're doing, basically? Oh, so good.
You'll learn that you can go up one side easier than down, but the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Okay.
And feathers are the best filler ever. So once you get feathers, they fill in any space.
Wow. I think this looks beautiful.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
It's not my best work, but you know.
No, I think it's amazing.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill this area in with a feather here.
Ooh.
So I'm kind of treating this curve as the inside of your feather vein.
Okay.
And so we're only going to do one side of the feather. And we're going to do the right side.
Okay.
And this is kind of my fancy feather. It's kind of like a hook feather.
Okay.
So basically I'm making hooks. So when I come around and do this next one, I am going to come in, but you have to go into the last one for it to look good. Not just hit that, or you're going to have these like step-up feathers.
Oh, okay. So you've got to hit it. Oh my goodness, I see it coming together.
And just go all the way out. This is a really great one for big spaces.
Yes.
So I do have a suggestion.
Yeah.
If you all out there are trying feathers and they kind of look like these square feathers, try turning your stitch regulation off.
Okay.
And do a constant speed because what's happening is you're not able to flow as easily. And if I knew this machine, it would be off. So try that.
Okay.
I've taught some long arm quilting classes and I have all the students turn off their stitch regulator. So anyway,
that's good
just
to
a
know.
thought.
I like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, what are you going to do over here?
Let's go over there.
Okay.
So one of my favorite fills is just an kind of like a swirl feather echo thing. So I'll try it.
Okay, let's do it.
So you kind of just like,
oh, I love this
you know,
of yours.
just a little.
Yes.
Try not to cross over your lines.
I think it's absolutely incredible that you do all of this with the free motion. Okay, I love this. This is so fantastic. Look at how it just all filled up that space. So pretty. When you are stitching, do you like to use like a different color of thread than the background, or do you like to keep it within the same color? What's your go-to?
90% of the time I use a, actually, number 402. It's a secure, so fine.
402, okay, we have that, so fine, all right.
It goes on everything.
Is it more of like a taupey color?
Yeah, it's just like a cream tan. For my bobbins, I do a thin bottom line white on everything.
Okay.
I never match my bottom thread to my top thread.
Okay.
And I have good tension
Yeah.
with that. I use actually they're pre-wound bobbins, but it is bottom line.
Bottom line,
white.
okay, white.
And it goes forever because it's a really thin thread, and it gives you good tension with any thread you're using on the top.
Interesting.
And if you have good tension, you won't see the little pokies through the back. And so when I used to quilt for customers and I would change my thread color, I actually didn't like it on the back. I thought it looked funny because you had like rows of black and rows of blue.
Right.
And like just all one color is
Just have it
better.
be one. Oh,
yeah.
Interesting. Okay. I find that very interesting.
Yep.
Did all you long armers hear that? I think that's a great point.
And I will share a tip. The pre-round bobbins we use is a Magna Glide brand.
Okay.
But it's their classic.
Their classic.
Not Magna Glide thread, it's their classic.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Wow. Okay. Are you all just so giddy about this? I mean, again, even if you don't do long arm quilting, isn't it so fun to be inspired by what you're seeing right here? I think this is absolutely gorgeous.